Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make homemade pasta. So let's cook. So I'm going to be using double O flour, and I like to use double O flour because it's a finer flour and it gives you a tender noodle. But you can use all-purpose flour, and you can even use semolina flour. But for this recipe for today, I'm going to be using double O flour. So here I have 2 cups of flour here, and this is going to make 1 pound of pasta. So what you want to do is make a well. Just like this. And now you just want to crack 3 eggs in that well. Now you want to pour in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a teaspoon of salt. Now you're just going to take a fork and begin whisking those eggs in the middle of your well. And you just want to flick in some flour, a little bit at a time. Just keep flicking it in. Just like this. I'm just going to keep mixing. And now you can start mixing with your hands. And you want to keep mixing it in until you get a rough ball like this. Now you want to start kneading your dough. And you want to knead this dough for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth. Okay guys, so I've been kneading for 10 minutes, and as you can see, when you put your finger on, it bounces back. Let me bring you guys in closer. When you push down on your dough, it should spring back like that. So now what you want to do is get some saran wrap and wrap this up and let it sit. And let it sit for about 30 minutes. So our dough has rested for about 30 minutes, and I'm just going to go ahead and take this out of the plastic. You just want to take some flour and dust your surface like that. Now you're just going to separate your dough into 4 pieces. And you're just going to put those 3 pieces back into the plastic until you're ready for them, and set those off to the side. So I'm gonna flour my roller, and you want to start rolling this out. And you just want to roll this out until it becomes thin enough that you can see the color of your hand through it. Now that I can see my hand through it like this, it's thin enough. So now you're just going to roll it up and make your pasta. From the bottom and roll up like this. Now you're going to take your knife and flour your knife, and you just want to saw like that. And you want to try to keep your pieces around the same width. Now you just want to take each one of these and unroll it like this. So you're just going to go through and unroll each one. So now that these are all unraveled, what you want to do is take some more of your flour and toss this around in the flour to make sure that they won't stick. And you can just bunch it up like this and put it in the freezer for about an hour, and then put it in a Ziploc bag if you don't want to use this now. And if you want to use this now, all you have to do is boil some salted water and put this in your salted water for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until your desired texture. And then you just take your pasta and just swirl it on your plate like this. Top it with some sauce. Some fresh bay leaf. Just a drizzle of olive oil. And some fresh Parmesan cheese. And enjoy. That's how I make homemade pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put in your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.